Good morning, class. Today we will be having a new topic. Are you ready? In today's objectives, the learner demonstrates understanding of decimals. The learning is able to recognize and represents decimals in various forms and contexts. The learners gives the place value of a given decimal number through 10,000. Our content for the topic today is gives the place value and the value of a given decimal number through 10,000. Before we begin our new topic for today, let us have a review first. These are fill in the blanks. Answer these in your paper. Number 1. In 6,574, the digit blank is in the hundreds place. Number 2. In 56,427, the digit blank is in the 10,000 place. Number 3. In 34,672, the digit 4 has the value of blank. And number 4 and 5, in 612,498, the value of digit 9 is blank and the value of the digit 1 is blank. Let us now check your answers. In number 1, what digit is in the hundreds place? Correct. It's the number 5. How about in number 2? What number is in the, or what digit is in the 10,000 place? Correct. It's the number 5. In number 3, what is the digit or the digit 4 has the value of? Correct. It's the thousands. How about in number 4? The value of digit 9 is? Correct. It's 10. Tens. And the value of the digit 1 is 10,000. Correct. Now let us study this. One morning, Carl, Kim, and Dan went jogging. They finished the jogging after 13.2154 minutes, 17.45 minutes, and 21.537 minutes respectively. In which of these three does 5 have the greatest value? How do we find the answer to the problem? Let us examine closely the place value chart below. The digit 5 in each number occupies a different place. 5 in 13.2154 is in the thousands place and its value is 5 over 1000 or 0.005. 5 in 17.45 is in the hundreds place and its value is 5 over 100 or 0.05. 5 in 21.537 is in the tenths place and its value is 5 over 10 or 0.05. Therefore, the digit 5 in 21.537 has the greatest value. Another way to visualize decimals is by using base 10 blocks. For example, suppose a big cube presents one whole. If the cube is divided into 10 equal parts, then each flat represents 1/10 or 0.1. Each flat can be divided into 10 smaller parts called longs. To represent hundreds, each long is 0.01. Finally, each long can be divided into 10 equal parts called units to represent thousand. Each unit is 0.001. Now, let's have a group activity. I will group you into two and each group you have a task to do. Listen carefully to the instructions and after that, you're going to present your answers. In Group 1, Ron spent 138.50 pesos in grocery items at a store. After buying some groceries, he went to the bookstore. He bought a book that cost 63.25 pesos. In which of the two prices does 5 have greater value? In Group 2, Ralph, Raymond, Ronald and Robert entered a 3.2-kilometer dash race. They all successfully finished the race within 18.40 minutes, 18.37 minutes, 18.35 minutes, and 18.41 minutes respectively. Determine Ronald's place in the race. Congratulations, Group 1, you got the correct answer. It's 138.50 pesos that the 5 have the greater value. And also, congratulations, Group 2, because you got the correct answer. Because Ronald's place in the race is in the second place. Now answer these following questions. How did you find the activity? What did you feel when you performed the activity? What insights have you learned from the activity? What makes your group activity successful? What points did you put in mind to arrive at the correct answer? Now, to synthesize what you have learned, why do we use a place value chart? Correct. It is to identify the place value and value of a given number, either whole or decimal number. What is the importance of a decimal point? Correct. The decimal point dictates where the whole number part ends and where the decimal part begins. How many times is the place to the left? Correct. The place to the left is 10 times the place to the right. Very good. Now let's have another activity. Kindly get your notebook and answer the following. Choose the letter of the correct answer. In the decimal 76.885, what is the place value of 5? A. Ones, B. Hundreds, C. Tens, D. Thousands. Number 2. Which of the following decimals has a value of 0.008? A. 0.348, B. 0.48, C. 1.384, or D. 0.829. Number 3. What is the place value of the digits 7 and 8 in the decimal 34.3718? A. Hundreds and ten thousands, B. Hundreds and ten thousands, C. Thousands and ten thousands, D. Ones and thousands. 4. What is the place value of the digit after digit 7 and 5,978? A. Hundreds, B. Tens, C. Ten thousands, D. Tens. And in number 5, in 0.3845, which digit has the greatest value? A. 3, B. 8, C. 4, D. 5. Now let's check your answers. What is your answer in number 1? If your answer is D, you are correct. How about in number 2? Correct, it is the letter A. How about in number 3? Correct, it's letter B. How about in number 4? Correct, it's letter C. And in number 5, what is the answer? Correct, it's the digit 3. Now for your assignment, give the place value and value of the underlying digit. Number 1, 243.9384. The underlying digit is number 4. Number 2, 85.237. The underlying digit is number 2. Number 3, 0.4382. The underlying digit is number 8. Thank you so much, children, for listening. Again, this is Teacher Maya.